Hi folks. Apple has a different products like iPhones, Mac, iWatch, iPads, and airports, etc. We'll talk about airports. In this situation, present statistics, there are 66 million units have been sold by the Apple company. In this situation, Apple products has been released e-waste as much as not compared to another companies. There are a lot of e-waste in this field itself. I'm not talking about Mac, Apple, iPhones and all. Just airports itself is produced 66 million units. It means a lot of e-waste has been produced right now. We'll talk about it in the airport itself. Disposal leaks like toxic substances such as lithium, lead, mercury, and so on that evolves into the soil, water, and air, causing the pollution and health of the humankind. Only 50 to 22% of the wastage is reduced globally. There is no repair for this item. So many people just they're away due to collapse, disable, and hazardous battery risks. Toxic chemicals from the earbuds in the landfills contaminate groundwater and soil, affecting ecosystem friendly and human health. If we burning e-waste releases dangerous toxics and greenhouse gases. These things are here, hiding and no one knows. No repairable designs is one of the main customer to buy another, so he should want to buy another product. Same, he needs the airports, but we can't repair it. What will happen? He should buy another thing, another airports. So every customer, if you purchase one item, it will equivalent to 1.5 to 3 years. It will take duration. If maybe he will use like 3 years. Afterwards, it will damage itself. So we are there. So where they are going and affecting the environment, and the people around are buying so many things for the showcase, the people to listen the music and everything. The and the company itself telling the adapter I way more the adapter, so it is eco-friendly. What is the e-waste system is going on in the system? It is a glue type design, so we can't repair it. Make sure to repair, even though we can't risk the management. Considering that each airport's weighs around 4 grams and the charging case weighs around 40 to 50 grams, this leads to thousands of tons of plastic and electronic e-waste material. The e-waste system each year globally. The toxic compounds and pollution risk compounds include the lithium batteries, rare earth materials, heavy materials, and lead, cadmium, and plastics. The pose serves environment hazards, microplastic pollution from degraded casing materials can affect marine and terrestrial environment. Apple and other manufacturers has introduced to take the recycling program, but participation is not much more because of not knowing everyone. The Apple has programmed itself recycling, but no one knows. Scale remains small compared to total sales volumes is more and recycling is less. Some brands and startups are exploring more sustainable materials, model designs and battery replacements options to extend product life and reduce e-waste. Tips to the company itself to reduce the e-waste. From my side and from the Google side, from the other source of my knowledge to the company, they also know how to manage the system of e-waste to reduce, but they are not doing. I think so. If it is wrong, I may wrong. Okay. I'm giving a suggestion suggestions to the Apple company, improve product design for replaceability and longevity, like replaceable batteries, simplified screwable devices instead of glue components to enable easier repair and refurbishment, extend the product lifespan within more durable materials, while offering firmware updates to prolong the device durability. Increased use of recycling and sustainability, where the biodegradable or eco-friendly materials for a casing and packaging to reduce environment-friendly footprint. Expand and promote take back recycling programs from the customers, make airports recycling and tend to the customers to buy. Like if you offer airports like $5, we use like airports for 3 years, you just provide $5 to $10 and you don't want to buy it, you just give the new product for him and reduce the price of and take price of the product and take the before we use the airports, it will be eco-friendly. It's a good environment for eco-friendly and ecosystem. It will be good and compressed. Discounts and incentives to the customer, so customer can relatable to the devices they can buy from us, the company. I am also using the iPhone itself. I am the biggest fan of the Apple, but this is the thing. Not in this situation. After 5 years or 10 years, it will be more than like thrice or 5 times we can tell e-waste. So make sure to increase the volume or make sure to rebuy from the customer itself. Develop advanced recycling technologies. Invest in research for effective and automated disassembling and material recovery from small electronic devices like earbuds. Collaborated with recycling industry reduces to scale up safe battery and material recovery process. Commit to circular economic principles. Shift business models towards refreshment and remanufacturing for resale of used airports components. Device to feedback into new products. Engage customers with a honest sustainability communication to build trust and economy. Encourage eco-friendly business, so the customers will evolve and increase more production from your side also. Maybe right now 66 units from the past 10 years, I think airports too. But in this thing, if you make new things, it will evaluate more things. I'm not telling the company itself is a doing like this. All other companies are doing, but Apple is the main. Like it's a first product to choose them. So I'm not blaming the Apple company itself. In our side also, we are wasting itself. 50% is from the company and 50% from the customers. 50% of the customers are not knowing the knowledge of the e-waste is going on backside of the thing. So we should want to evolve to tell what to do with the airports after the usage of like 3 years or 2 years. Make sure to rebuy itself. This is from one retail store. I got nothing else. I buy like a 10 to 15 pounds or dollars. You can assume in one retail store there are this much of e-waste. You can not think how many retail stores are in the globally. Globally itself there are too many. So make sure eco-friendly. In our side, we are supporting customers to encourage and knowledge give to the customer or a man. Thank you. Make sure to support us, subscribe.